Good morning, students. Today we are going to see law of series and parallel combination of the resistances. Means we have the one of the parameter of the electricity is the resistance. If that resistances are connected in which way, so we will be get the benefit. If you that the resistances are connected in series, so what will be the resultant or equivalent resistance at what we can get the beneficial for us. So there is the two laws of series and parallel combination of the resistances. So first of all we are taking is the law of series combination of the resistances. It means that if a number of or the number of resistances are connected one end to another end or end to end of the resistances and across the battery, then such type of the connections or arrangement is called the series combination of the resistances. So like that, if you have seen this the diagram, so it is the number of resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected across the battery, then what will be happening. So let it's the consider the I is flowing through the circuit V1, V2 and V3 are the potential difference across the resistances R1, R2 and R3 respectively. So then according to the Ohm's law, is equal to V is equal to IR, and we are getting the three voltage V1, V2, V3. Then total voltage we know that there is the V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and if we are putting the value of V is equal to IR, so we are getting such type, and then is IR is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, RR cancel, so RS we are getting. So this means it is the resultant resistance we are getting RS, that RS is equal to the addition of all the resistances we are getting the final resistance. And if you connect the number of resistances, we will get the Rn is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is like that. Thus the equivalent resistance of the series combination is greater than the individual resistance. Therefore series combination is used to increase the resistances of the circuit. Now there is again is the parallel combination of the resistances. If this the parallel combination of the resistances is connected in such a manner, what if the number of resistances connected between the 2 points or across the voltage, the number of ways of flow of the current, here number of way of the flow of current, and to the number of resistances, such type of the arrangement is called the parallel combination of the resistances. According to this Ohm's law, we will get it is the I is equal to V upon R1, and we will be get I1, I2, I3, I4, and total is I is equal to V upon R1 plus R2 is like that, and then we are getting the 1 upon Rp, means 1 upon Rp. Rp means it is the equivalent resistance in parallel. So 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, and we will get a such type. Then if number of the resistances connected in series, so it will be is the 1 upon Rn is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 is like that. So here R1 is greater than Rp. This every resistance is greater than the Rp means here is the equivalent resistance is minimum than the which are the resistances are connected in this parallel combination. So these are the series and parallel combinations resistances, and we will study it is in this chapter. Okay, thank you. We will see in the next.